Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down the device to avoid shorts, then remove the case and any SIM tray. Once done, inspect the button gap for lint, corrosion, or sticky residue so you know which technique to use. Use compressed air to blow out loose debris, and if you have it, a small amount of 90% isopropyl on a microfiber to dissolve gunk. Make sure to work in good light and steady your hand so you don't force anything. Next, you clean the mechanism thoroughly while the phone is off. First, use short, angled bursts of compressed air to dislodge particles. This prevents pushing debris deeper. Then gently coax out stubborn lint using a wooden toothpick or soft-bristled brush, never metal. Once loose, lightly dab a cotton swab with isopropyl to remove sticky residue. Let it evaporate fully. After drying for a minute, press the button repeatedly to check improved travel and feel before reassembling the case. If the button remains hard to press, you may need to access internal contacts. Remove the back or screen only if comfortable and follow device guides. Clean contacts with isopropyl or replace the button assembly. Once reassembled, power on and confirm volume increments and tactile response. If problems continue, check software settings or perform a quick restart. Make sure it's not a firmware issue. If physical stiffness persists after those steps,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.